our fourth runner-up is Councilor Irving Behandre, Patricia Ortega, Ms. Delok Bunsiridu, Maria Bennett Macandili, and Councilor Leslie Cruz.
Makakasama na po natin dito yung ating mga pinagpipitaga ng mga hurado sa awarding ceremony. Fourth runner-up to receive 50,000 pesos in gold cash. Miss Mandaluyong 2025, fourth runner-up is Mandalanya number 14, Jamil Rustia, Wakwak.
Runner-up is Karen Bordador, Jasmine Henry, Abel Bacudio, Tammy Aliwalas, and Councilor Maris Manalo.
Third runner-up is the girl from Abini J. Rizal, number 20, May Rose Esmeles. Miss Mandaluyong 2025 second runner-up.
Awarding the second runner-up, we have Wilma Dezent, Michael Sager, Michaela Rosel Bayani, and Councilor Benji Abalos.
Miss Mandaluyong 2025 second runner-up is the girl from Highway Hill, Seya Pala. Roberta and Bala, take the center stage now. Dito na kayong dalawa sa gitna. The first name I will announce is Miss Mandaluyong. Pero koronahan muna natin yung first runner-up. Okay? So alamin natin sino nga ba ang mga magkokorona.
To present the first runner-up winner is Corinne Abalos, Isabel Gonzalez, Jerome Ponce, Tabby Rose Caballero, and Councilor Charisse Abalos Vargas. Miss Mandaluyong 2025 will be awarded by former Congressman Winnie Gonzalez, Albert Andrada, and Mayor Benji Abalos, with Aliana Habana.
Mga kapwa ko, Mandalenyo, kilalanin na natin ang bago nating reyna, Miss Mandaluyong 2025. Bella Maria Paul Agapatoibi. And our first runner-up is Roberta Martin Barangka Ibaba. Koronahan muna natin si Roberta. Roberta? Roberta Martin, and congratulations. Mga kaibigan, oras na para koronahan natin. But I will give you first an important trivia. Alam niyo pala, itong ating bagong Miss Mandaluyong is a repeater already. Sumali na siya noong year 2000, hanggang patolibis din, pero natalo. Hindi niya pa kasi tadhana noon. Pero ngayong taong ito, ang bagong Miss Mandaluyong, Bella Maria Flor, hanggang bato, libis!
A lady so fair, no trumpet here. A girl to the city, love, joy, and youth. As simple as a song she makes.
Sa inyo pong lahat na nakasama namin sa Puyatan ngayong taong ito, maraming salamat mga kapwa ko Mandalenyo. Tandaan natin at paulit-ulit ko sasabihin in our career, it's great to be successful, but in life, it's better to be number one! Ito po mga kaibigan, ang Miss Mandaluyong 2025!
She has the will to serve.